With my friend Vanessa Maggie at her new listing in Miami Shores. Vanessa, tell us about this beautiful house.
Hi, Joe. Thank you for coming. Thank you, guys. Yes. So this is one of the first homes that was ever built in Miami Shores. It was built in the 1925 by the Shoreline Company, which is the company that developed the Shores. And this used to be the general manager's house. The house is spectacular. My client just did this huge renovation and addition. So the house sits on a 20,000 corner lot. The main house has 5 bedrooms, 5.5 bathrooms, 4,500 square feet of air. And then we have a detached garage with an apartment, which is spectacular.
Amazing. Let's go take a look at it right now. Take a look at this back house. These are your 2 garage doors, and then you have a unit above, a 1 bedroom, 1 bath, separated detached unit.